guys, welcome back to Borla Chef's Kitchen. My name is Colleen and today we're making pepper medley with paneer. It is a very simple dish, very nutritious, high protein and high fiber with all the vegetables, and it can really be had with any sort of bread, whether it's Indian bread or any regular bread, and as long as just had by itself, really as a warm salad. And we have tried the same recipe with extra firm tofu. It does a phenomenal job. So please check it out and hope you like it. And please leave us a comment if you do or if you have any questions. Thanks.
We're going to start with the 6 main ingredients. First off, you've got green peppers, red peppers, we've got ginger, cherry tomatoes are next that we've cut in half and kept whole. And next is paneer or tofu and onions. We're going to first start with avocado oil in a skillet. Make sure it's nice and hot before you add in your first ingredient. So we're going to start with the green peppers here, and make sure that you step away from it because it is a lot of moisture in the green pepper, so it's going to take you in for a splash if you're too close. We really don't want to cook them for too long. We just want that color and the char and remove them from the oil. Next up, red peppers, exact same process, high heat, quick cooking. And now we're going to be doing the onions. No incremental oil has been added. It's the same oil that we put at the beginning. Now we go on to the paneer. Here you can really use extra firm tofu. It will have that same texture and can also be made vegan. Both are high protein, so you can choose based on your liking. We really just want that golden brown color. Now we're going to move on to the ginger and the cherry tomatoes as our last final step of the cooking process here. Again, we're looking for the similar black char and the ginger getting a bit of crispness around it, so it doesn't feel that it's raw, especially given it's, ginger is quite pungent when it's raw. Now we're going to go on to the dressing. Very simple dressing. We start with ketchup, soy sauce, and white vinegar, salt, red chilies or paprika, and freshly ground black pepper. We're going to add salt into the soy sauce vinegar mix, red chilies, black pepper, and we're just going to mix it, mix the sauce and add it to the ketchup itself. And now here we have the bowl of all our beautiful, colorful veggies. We're going to now add in the dressing, and we're just going to mix it really well enough and make sure that it's coating every single piece of vegetable there. So there you have it. There's our pepper medley. It's full of protein and vitamins and delicious flavors. Hope you enjoy it.